Good evening, everyone. I am Kiran Khatri, professor at the MBA program of LJU, along with Ms. Mansi Gader, first year management student at LJ. LJ has an illustrious alumni base, and alumni are a significant part of the LJ family. As a member of LJ family, it gives me tremendous joy and pride at the moment to begin the event Alumni Mantras, which is online series based on interaction between the students of LJ and the esteemed alumni of LJ MBA. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome amongst us the alumni of this institution. Not only it is a moment of happiness and nostalgia for us, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learnings and achievements. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field in their lives, and we could not be any more prouder. Our guest for today is a strong believer in home remedies. She has been practicing this ancient science for a number of years now. She knew that precautionary measures were important for well being, and this compassion for healing led her to form Nabi Sutra. She's an entrepreneur with a will to make a difference. She understood that there is a gap when it comes to holistic healing. She tries to address the gap by creating Nabi Sutra. With Navi Sutra, she wishes to reintroduce the exotic, natural, and pure Ayurvedic practices that the world may have forgotten. To understand Ayurveda better, she acquired in depth knowledge of Ayurvedic medicines and formulations with the help of her cousin, an MD in Ayurveda. Her second venture, her brainchild, The Woman Planet, offers a host of information on all the women related topics, be it health, career, or relationships. She also heads Muskan, a campaign specifically designed for women in rural areas and menstrual hygiene education. She also owns an IT firm, Black ID Solutions, and has been working in digital marketing for over 14 years now. So let us welcome our compassionate and multi-talented alumnus for today, Ms. Swati Vakharia, founder of Nabi Sutra and Woman Planet. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be with you all.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, Ms. Mansi will be asking some questions to you. So, over to you, Mansi.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful introduction and for having us today. Firstly, I would like to thank LG Institute of Management Studies, the faculty members, and Kiran ma'am for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to interact with our alumni for motivating us in today's session. So welcome, ma'am, and thank you so much for your valuable time so that we can interact with you so that students can learn from your story.
I'm really happy. It's audible? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. So I would like to ask you some of the questions.
Sure.
So my first question would be, ma'am, how you have raised the funding for your business?
Actually, I am a little bit against to fundraise for business, so I didn't even try much to raise the funds. Rather, I tried to create a model which is self-sustainable. I created a model where it's a bootstrap kind of project for me, and the reason is not anything, but it's a little bit personal. That after being a mother, I didn't wanted anyone else to interfere in my business plans and strategies because I wanted to move a little slow with by balancing family and the other stuff. So what I did is I started my project and plan with about 5 lakhs of rupees and not much. But after that also, once like I have started, I could get many opportunities from investors, and like many agencies approached us, many individual investors approached us, but I was little bit clear in my mind that this is not the right time to involve others in this particular thing. So I didn't like actually kiya nahi aage. But the thing is when a person like students, when they actually try to create something, when they actually want to go ahead with the startup, they always try to nowadays they always try to get funds in, and like they involve themselves more in following all the startup funding and all the stuff, instead of creating a model, or instead of deciding a strategy which involves more of the creativity part, which involves like a self-sustainability part, a USP, a better USP you can think of, and to serve your customers part. So that I think students should focus more on that, and focus less on this investors and fundraising and stuff. Because if you are giving like good like if you are trying to create something good, a good brand, a good product, then even after launching the product you will get better opportunities in second phase. Once this, after the seed funding and all, the second phase you will get even better funding. So I think that is what I think about my ideas for funding.
Yes, ma'am. I can say that so, ma'am, what is the most satisfying moment of your entrepreneur journey?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the most satisfying moment of your entrepreneur journey?
Okay, so the most satisfying, instead of movement, it was a phase. So when I created this entire concept of Nabi Sutra, it is very much new. It was even, people were not even aware about such concept, like one can heal their body and achieve wellness with a belly button, with the belly button. So such concepts were there. Even our ancient science says that, Ayurveda and all Purana says about that, but people were not aware. So for me, it was very important to make people aware and to accept such method in their lifestyle. So when I was actually launching this brand, I wasn't sure like how people will react to it, while even like the things are a little bit modernized nowadays, and if they will accept such kind of method in their lifestyle. So while I was going through it, and when I started with the promotion part, and when I started my social media campaigns, I really was happy to get the movements. I really was happy when people were accepting it with lots of love, the kind of gestures they have shown, like the kind of feedback they have given to us. So that is the phase where I'm like, I really find it very much satisfactory. I really find it, I was really proud to create something which is new, and even which is very much valuable and effective for them.
So, ma'am, how you have created the awareness among the society regarding this?
So
What
the
steps
entire
you have
journey was
taken?
entire journey was based on my past experience of digital marketing. So as it's like as you have introduced, like I'm also heading a Black ID Solutions, which is an IT firm, and from past 10 years plus I was dealing with digital marketing, and I was building brand for people, and that was more using of online platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and doing SEO, search engine optimization, for a number of brands and website nationally, internationally. So even I was looking for something, like I wanted to create something which is my own. I wanted to create something, this is my own brand, and wanted to try multiple things to build the brand. So when you are working for others, for your clients, you have limitations. So you didn't like, you can create ideas, but not all the ideas you can actually execute, because it's all about like सामने वाले को कैसा लग रहा है, and the budget and multiple things involved होती है उसमें. So when you create your own brand, it is all up to you. You can create new things, you can explore new things, you can actually learn while actually trying multiple things. So that was the main thing, and with that I was trying things with social media marketing, different kind of campaigns, what kind of content will work, what kind of graphic will work, and influencer marketing. So all those things I tried, I learned, and then execute like I executed well, and then I could actually create it as a brand. So my past experience, I think, is a thing which helped me a lot to build it as a brand.
So, ma'am, what kind of work culture or what kind of culture is there in your business?
In like here, it was very much friendly from very start because it's IT firm and there was no that very formal and professional kind of stuff. Utna nahi tha. So from the day we started this particular firm, it was very friendly surrounding. People care for each other, and even it's not that much of a KRA sort of thing. कि ये मेरा काम है मैं ही करूँगी, and that is not a part of your KRA, or even it was always open. People can come up with their ideas. We always listen to their ideas. We always actually help each other to execute those ideas, and it's that kind of very friendly culture over here. So we are happy, and even being a part of as I'm running Women Planet Incorporation, I was very much keen to empower women, and I was trying for that from ages. We also have a blog where we support women in multiple aspects. So in even my office, we are a team where even 80% of female are there, and we love to work with each other. We try to understand each other, and being a female entrepreneur, I know what kind of difficulties are there that which women are facing while even taking care of their career or even taking care of their family along. So we understand, I think even we understand their issues, and try to actually focus more on the work instead of कि इतने टाइम में ये होना चाहिए, and unnecessary pressurizing और वो सब यहाँ पे उतना नहीं होता. So we are enjoying our workplace, and they feel even this is as a home only. So it's fun working here, and it's very light as well as it's very productive, I think. And because of the surrounding, all of them are very productive. I'm very much satisfied.
Yeah, that would be great if you're around the people are happy with your ideas, or
yes, even they buy their own plants, even they try to make the surrounding more lighter, happier, greener. So it's like खुद का ही घर है वैसे ही treat करता है वो. It's fun.
So ma'am, what is your favorite aspect of being an entrepreneur?
Being entrepreneur, the favorite part is you can explore and you can plan things, you can learn, and that too with your own things. Like it's not that I need to follow someone else's plan and just execute things what people are saying, because and other than that I can actually create something. I can learn while with my past experiences and try to make something new out of it. That's the best part. Even I can work as per my mood. मुझे आज content writing का है which जिसमें मैं ज़्यादा अच्छा कर पाऊंगी, then I'll work on that. If I think today I want to work on the creative ways, then I can work on that. So that's the best thing, and that's why the outcome थोड़ा better रहता है rather than if you're following any certain kind of rules and the setup. Then here I can work the way I want to. So that's the best part of being an entrepreneur, and doing it with my own time and routine, because I am a mother and I know I have certain responsibilities there which I don't want to compromise with. So I can work while even she is sleeping, or even with my own time. So after even handling her school and everything, I can work after that. So that the time के भी जो limitations है वो भी I can manage. And can't even I don't even need to give up completely. कि job होती है तो then you can't work like that. So it's always good to be an entrepreneur and give your best to your work.
Yeah, right, ma'am. So, ma'am, what kind of challenges you are of a child, and you are an entrepreneur also? So how you have managed those challenges which came across in this whole process?
I am really lucky to actually have my skill set, having good skill set with digital marketing, and I am a part in online and internet marketing thing, because otherwise थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है to manage your family life and to manage your business, because it asks for a lot. Like if you need to be present physically all the time, then it becomes very difficult to maintain between your and juggling the roles between family and career. So here, when as mobiles are there, laptops are there, you can work within a like खाना बनाते बनाते भी आप email देख सकते हो और revert कर सकते हो. It's like that. So because of the internet and things, my struggles जो भी है वो मुझे कम हुए, and I could manage my work well with like by even handling multiple responsibilities. So that is all the area like where internet comes to the picture. That's why I think it is little bit manageable for me to manage with all those difficulties, because time is the thing where you always struggle, and वो 24 घंटों से ज़्यादा नहीं मिलने वाला हम लोगों को दिन में. So that is the area where we find कि नहीं अब manage नहीं हो पा रहा. And financially, yes, definitely people do struggle, because that is the part where you actually find के marketing में नहीं manage कर पा रहे, और multiple ways like even team management and everything is difficult. But for me, I was very much clear that I wanted to start slow and go slow, but with the response and with the kind of USP and the kind of product we could create, finances, it was the brand and products, it was very much self-sustainable. When it comes to team management and team building, I was happy the kind of team we could create, and they are always self-motivated, and what I try to do is I want them to be self-motivated only. अगर उनको हर बार कुछ ना कुछ बताना पड़ रहा है या फिर समझाना पड़ रहा है, then it's not like the thing, because here even I'm having very much limited time to attend the office and manage the things, so they need to be self-motivated. That's the first thing I ask them to like go for. So they always try to understand their responsibilities and maintain and manage them well. So that's why the entire scene and entire management goes little bit smooth. So these are the parts.
Yes, ma'am, that is for me, it is a motivating factor. Like you have managed your personal life as well as the journey of your entrepreneur also. So, ma'am, thank you so much for answering my questions. And once again, thank you so much for your valuable time for interacting with us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, and I really enjoyed this session. I'm really happy that being in LJ, I'm here and interacting with you.
Ma'am, I have one question. Like we have
Sure.
seen that you have performed during your career, you have performed multiple roles. Like I can't imagine being from social media to owning a magazine to being a healer. So these are three different roles. Some people would find one career and balancing one career and family difficult. How you are able to manage three different careers? That is my first question. And secondly, how has LJ prepared you? I mean, what is there that has LJ prepared you for this entire? You've been entrepreneur through and through. So how has LJ prepared you for this entrepreneurial journey?
So basically, when it comes to multiple roles, like multiple careers, I can say there was the entire journey. So I started as a search engine optimization, as like I was leading that area, and I rather started the department in the company when we started with Black ID. So me and a group of friends, we started together, and I was the one who started with the SEO part. But that was the entire journey where I started from online marketing to this, and then when it comes to digital marketing, you explore a lot, because you are always like, you are online, you're trying to understand different things that is going on in social media. So I could learn multiple things, I tried multiple things, and that was rather a journey. So currently also, like when I started Napi Sutra, there was this byproduct of what I learned, you know, during the phase, and शायद ये कुछ और सिखाएगा, कुछ और भी कर पाऊंगी आगे जाके. But yes, with जितना भी कर पाए हैं, जो भी टीम हमको मिली है, with that I could manage multiple things. But जैसे अब मैगजीन की बात है, which I tried, तो ऑनलाइन अभी काफी कुछ कर पाते हैं, जिसमें I also tried print magazine as well, but I couldn't sustain it. जो मॉडल मैं उतना अच्छे से बना नहीं पाई. सो आई लर्न कि नहीं, एक सस्टेनेबिलिटी के लिए एक अच्छा बिजनेस मॉडल बिल्ड करना इज मस्ट, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, विच आई मुझे उस टाइम पे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू लर्न थिंग्स एंड जो जिसमें मुझे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लग रहा है उस हिसाब से आई वॉज फॉलोइंग थिंग्स. बट where I could understand that is not enough. You need to create a model where your particular product should be sustainable, self-sustainable, and then I created a new model. So काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला with trying multiple things. And when it comes to LJ, yes, LJ में पढ़ाई करने का बहुत मजा है. And then our teachers, they were amazing. जैसे marketing में सिद्धार्थ सर थे, and बहुत बहुत कुछ सीखा है वहाँ पे. So the main thing जो MBA करने में सीखने को मिलते है, it's like टीम बिल्डिंग एंड लोगों के साथ मिलके टीम वर्क करना. सो छोटे छोटे जो असाइनमेंट्स होते थे, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स होते थे, उस टाइम पे हमने काफी सीखा है. काफी इश्यूज होते थे जिसको रिजॉल्व करके भी कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, एंड वो सारी चीजें हमको उस टाइम पे काफी कुछ सीखने को मिली थी. एंड आवर टीचर्स वर अमेजिंग, दे आर ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल. एंड विद टाइम आई थिंक एलजे का जो एक्सपीरियंस था, दैट आई इवन आफ्टर एलजे कैंपस से ही आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन टाइम्स जॉब्स, एंड वहां पे भी मैंने जो 1 ईयर का जॉब करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला. सो आई कुड लर्न लाइक एक कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी किस तरह से होता है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वहां पे किस तरह से लोग काम करते हैं. उस लर्निंग को लेके फिर खुद का कुछ स्टार्ट करो तो ऑल दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस वो सारे बहुत काम आते हैं. सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एलजे के प्लेटफॉर्म से ही मुझे एक जॉब मिला, एंड उस जॉब से ये दोनों का मिक्स होके आई कुड work really good. Like यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सराउंडिंग क्रिएट करना. When you start with your own organization, you are HR also, you are everywhere. So salary भी आप भी दो, ये भी खुद ही करो. So उस टाइम पे एक small scale पे जब we started with this firm, वहाँ पे about 50 people तक के लोग भी थे. So उस टाइम पे भी हमको काफी कुछ ये सारी चीजें काम आई थी कि जो मैंने दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में भी सीखी. मैंने जो वहां पे भी जो एक बेसिक नॉलेज लिया, एचआर का ले लो, यानी फर्स्ट ईयर तो कॉमन होता था, तो हर चीज पे जो थोड़ा थोड़ा नॉलेज मिला था वो काफी काम लगा था मुझे एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को एक प्रॉपर वे में फोल्ड करने के लिए.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So this is all from our side. So on behalf of LJ MBA and the entire LJ family, I express my heartful gratitude that you have given your precious time to us. I personally am very much inspired by talking to you. Just in some time you have inspired. I'm sure the students have also had an equal learning opportunity. The points that I loved the most were like you rightly pointed out, that when anybody wants to start a business, they focus on finances. So instead of doing that, they should focus on building a model and a sustainable model. So they should work upon strategy, brand building, and creativity and customer satisfaction, which is very important for a successful business. Finances will come down once you achieve all that. So that's a very good point that you emphasize. Like you mentioned that you whatever you learned during your career, you started trying it. So a hands-on approach for everything. So that is really what we have learned from you. So keep on learning and trying and learning new things. So that is the experience that helped you a lot. Also, I love the culture of your organization. It is like you mentioned, it is an open organization. So like as a woman, you do understand that what problems the other women face, and you have adapted that structure in your organization for the people who are working for you. So that is very important. So that is one lesson any entrepreneur has to learn, to understand the difficulties their employees must be facing, and then try to adapt the business to accommodate them. Then what I found very inspiring was how you gradually build upon your USP. Slowly you started, and you brick by brick, like we say in English, you gradually created your business and have built a brand based on which you are attracting customers. So that is really inspiring, and I'm sure our students have gained a lot of knowledge, lot of pearls of wisdom from you. So thank you again, ma'am. So on behalf of the entire LJ family, I am thankful to you, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for watching. That is all from our side.